What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have a quick makeup routine for you guys. It's going to be a soft cut crease that you can wear for the new year. I already started off doing my brows off camera because I have an updated brow routine for y'all coming in 2019. And I already did one eye off camera, so that way it'll be easier for me. So I'm starting off with the Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C8, and I'm going to use that to prime my eyelid. Next, I'm going to take this fluffy Wet n Wild brush and blend this concealer all over my eyelid. And the palette that I'm using today is the City Mini palette in High Rise Sunset. First, I'm going to go ahead and take this yellow shade and put it in my crease as the transition shade. Next, I'm going to take this reddish brown shade and apply it right up under that yellow. Then I'm going to use that same brush that I used to apply the yellow to blend those two together. Next, I'm going to apply this brown shade right up under that reddish brown shade, so that way I can give my eyes a little more depth. Now I'm going to take my two previous brushes and blend everything together. Now I'm going to take my NYX eyeshadow base. This is the white eyeshadow base from their collection. I'm going to go ahead and show you how it looks here. And I'm going to apply that to my eyelid, making a very soft cut crease. Then I'm going to blend around the cut crease I just made to bring back any color that I lost in the process. Then I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Color Icon palette in Rosé in the Air. I'm going to use the gold shimmery shade in that palette and then just put that all over my lid. Then I'm going to use the brushes I use for the reddish brown and the brown shade, and I'm going to blend that out so that way it can look nice and seamless. And last but not least, I'm going to go in with the light peachy shade, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone. Alright, y'all, I am all done with my eyes. So now I'm just going to go ahead and speed through the rest of this video. And it's just going to be my foundation routine and how I do the rest of my face. So yeah, just stay tuned in and I'll see you guys at the end. Alright, so I finished my face and I did my wing liner as well as my lashes off camera, as you can see here. And for my lashes, I used the 3D Silk Cherry Blossom number 907 lashes. And for my wing liner, I used the Essence Super Precise Eyeliner in black. Now to finish off my face, I'm using the Makeup Revolution ProFix setting spray. I'm just going to spread that all over my face. And for my lips, I'm using the Wet n Wild Bronze Beauty Lip Gloss, as well as the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb and Fenty Glow. First, I'm just going to apply the Wet n Wild, and then I'm going to put the Fenty Lip Gloss right on top of it. And this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial from me. I hope you guys go ahead and try it so that way you can look really cute for the new year. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the notification bell because I do have some more really wonderful upcoming videos for the new year of 2019. So yeah, if I don't get a chance to talk to you guys after the new year, happy new year. And yeah, thanks for stopping by, and I love you all. Bye.